everyone, it's AlyMew here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your cake look fancy. So we're going to be using a cake silicone mold and they come in different shapes. So today we're going to be using this one. This one looks really fancy. It makes a swirl. Oh my god, that could be an optical illusion forever. Anyway, I got this from banggood.com. I'm going to put the links down below to this or at Banggood, and we're going to bake some cake. Now don't forget to wash anything that you get from your packages. We're gonna use the Betty Crocker country cake mix. We'll need the free range eggs. We don't have to have free range eggs, but I really like free range eggs here. That's one. That's two. Here's three. I think that's what's pretty much in the directions. Oh, we need water too. I'm gonna first mix this up. And 7 tablespoons of oil. The oven says preheat oven to 180. I'm going to turn here. Anyway, so did you guys love the outlook? It's so good. I can't believe that's what came out of the mold, and my mold easily was washed out. It looks so perfect. Doesn't look good. Oh, I love carrot cake. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this. This is so good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to check out anything that's here, if you guys want to check out Good Bang, the website, and also this item specifically, the links will be down below. Bye! If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smack that like button as hard as you can. Just don't break your mouse, okay? And don't forget to slap that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload any new videos. And I also stream live on Twitch, and if you want to talk to me, hang out with me, and watch me play live, all you have to do is follow me on twitch.tv/AlyMew. See you guys next time!